Now, if you watch, they got this game they're doing here. Every so often, you'll see them coming from over here. So they come one at a time. These trees are full. See all these birds? They're full of birds. And every so often, when these ones get to flying by, one will decide to join in with them. And I'll follow you one. They go through here. And then it's like they're relocating because there's birds all in these trees too. So it's like they're relocating. And I think they're trying to make their way as close to the field. I don't know. Let's see. That way they can get all out to the field together. But it's crazy. It's like this constant train of birds flying until they all get where they're wanting to go. Let's see if they're going to the field. Oh, wow. Look. Look at them. Holy crap. Holy moly. Holy moly. I've never in my life. Look at this. Look at this. They keep coming. And my woods are full. You hear all this behind us still? My woods are absolutely full. They keep coming. Holy crap. I've never in all my days, ever. They keep coming. And my woods are still full right now as we speak. It's like a natural phenomenon. Or a super, I don't know what it is. I was trying to tell you, it's like, it wasn't just a couple hundred birds. And there's still more coming. This is crazy. Crazy. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at all of them. It has not stopped yet. This could perhaps be the craziest thing I've ever seen in human life. I've never seen this many birds in a row, ever. We're still not done, y'all. Still not done. It's crazy. Still coming. This is not video edited. This is a natural occurrence. I live at Kentucky Lake, and this is February the 2nd, 2019. Oh, they're still coming. Oh, that might have been the end of it. Now they're all in the field playing. And I still have this many more filling the trees in my yard. Oh, here comes some more. Filling the trees in my yard. I mean, I've just never seen in my lifetime, ever seen this many birds in one place at one time. Ever. It's insane. It is purely insane. Oh, here we go. Back on the train. Look, there's more. Y'all, I've never... Crazy. It is absolutely crazy. And this is not the same group of birds circling around. This is like... I still got them all in my woods. I have just never in my life. Crazy. Oh, train's still going. It's almost 2 minutes long, or a minute and a half at least, if not 2 minutes long, of birds. And they're not just circling around, y'all. This is crazy. And I promise you all, this is no Hollywood effects. Never in my life. I don't think anybody has. If they have, I'd be hard pressed to find out who it is. It'd be like a botanist or something, some kind of scientist, bird watching something. Holy moly. Y'all? Finally my birds gone. They've all gone out of the woods now. That was the last tail end of them. Is that not crazy? Holy crap. I've never. There they all go. The tail end's coming around. I say this and they keep coming. Here's the last of them, I think. There they go. Very cool. Very, very cool. Probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my entire life. God is great. Freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. You ever witnessing almost 4 minutes of a bird line? They're still over there. There's still more over there, but I'm just gonna let them be. We'll make that be the tail end, unless these ones come out real quick. There's some hanging back. You can hear them back over it, like in these woods back over in there. There's still some back up in there. But they haven't decided to leave yet. So, anywho, that was 5 minutes of birds flying.